To solve practice problem number 1, I wrote an equation, as you can see down here, for my mobile. The first thing I did was zoomed out so that I could see my text box and my mobile on the screen at one time. I looked at the weight of a heart. A heart weighs 3 units. I looked at the weight of an octagon. I think it's a hexagon. I'm sorry. It weighed 2 units. And I know that the mobile is balanced because I have a straight line right here. And so I wrote an equation. So on the left side of my mobile, the heart, I have 2, so I wrote 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. And then for my hexagons, I wrote 8 because 2, 4, 6, 8. I have 4 hexagons, so the weight is going to be 8. And then I had 2 circles. I don't know the weight of the circles, so I wrote 2 times C for the weight of the circles. Then I said that's going to be equal to 3 because on the right side I have 1 heart, and plus 6 because I have 3 hexagons. That's 2, 4, 6. And then plus 3C because I have 3 circles on the right side of the mobile. All right, great. So now that I have my equation, I'm pretty set and ready to go. Once I had my equation, which I got that right here, I combined like terms on both sides of the equation. So 6 plus 8 gave me the 14 I have right here. 3 plus 6 gave me the 9 I had right here. 2C was also on the left side, and 3C was also on the right side of the equations, respectively. After I did this, I realized I needed to collect all of my variable terms, 2C and 3C, on the same side of the equation. So I decided to collect them on the right side of the equation. So I needed to get rid of this 2C right here. In order to get rid of 2C or make it 0, I subtracted 2C from both sides of the equation. This is the subtraction property of equality. Whatever you do on the left side of the equation, when you take away something, you must also take it away on the right side to keep the equation balanced. All right, so in this line right here, I actually got 14 because after I combined like terms, 2C minus 2C, that is 0, which is nothing. So I'm just left with this 14, and that is transferred in this line right here. Also, 3C minus 2C is 1C. That is transferred right here, and I still have my 9 right here. All right, great. So now I'm here at this line. In this line, I know I need to get all of my constants on the left side of the equation with 14. So I need to get rid of this 9, okay? The inverse operation of adding 9, because remember a positive 9 is simply adding 9. The inverse operation is just subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. Remember, if I'm going to subtract 9 on the left side of the equation, if I'm going to take away 9 on the left, I have to also take away 9 on the left. I'm sorry, this is actually my right, and then this is the left. Okay, great. So once I combine like terms, 14 minus 9 is 5. And then 9 minus 9 is nothing. That's 0. So I'm left with 1C on the right side of the equation. So I get 5 equals 1C. Okay? That lets me know that C is equal to 5. Okay? I could have divided both sides of the equation by 1 to isolate C, but we already know that 1C is just C, so C equals 5. So the weight of a circle is 5 units. Remember, weights can be any number. It could be a number that's a rational number. It could be a number like that looks like a decimal, which is a rational number. So make sure that you are aware of that. You will not always get integers for your weights. You may get rational numbers, which are decimals, and things like that for your answer.